MongoDB engaged Lydonia for a reignite, and it was some time back. And when we kicked it off, how did that accelerate your automation journey, Devika? I think a lot of customers want to talk to folks who have done that, because what we're finding in the enterprise space, customers like yourself, you always have great ambitions. You start the program, it's going great, and then at some point in 12, 18 months, it fizzles out and it just stalls a little bit. How did the reignite work for you, and how could you tell other customers that it's a worthwhile endeavor?
Yeah, one thing that I have to say is that a lot of credit goes to Lydonia for helping us accelerate our automation journey. When we started, we did not know where we were going. We just did one POC and we were sitting with that POC. We did not know how to move forward. We were just making those small baby steps where we had a presentation ready. We were talking to people, but there was no direction that we were getting. And that's where, Lydonia came. And basically, we engaged Lydonia around 2 years ago. And they patiently listened to our current process, that what we are trying to do. And based off of that, they came up with a plan. And the plan was literally giving the right type of documents, looking at our roadshow presentation, making it more crisp. They basically even shortlisted a department and sat with us throughout, the understanding process, and then they stack ranked that these are the things that you will build. You will see, a growth trajectory, and that's where this whole program just started moving in the right direction. So overall, our engagement with Lydonia was extremely positive, and it just did not end there. We still have a very good working relationship with Lydonia in terms of we still exchange ideas. We still talk a lot about where there are problem statements. And I have to say that I've always got extreme help from Lydonia. Well, not only 2 years ago, but even today.
No, that's a two-way street. You help us find new and better ways of doing things too. We really value that relationship. So you're a few years into this journey. What's next? What do you have? I know you've got big plans for this program. What's next on Devika's roadmap?
Oh, that's a good question, actually. I think first and foremost would be implementing and maintaining our automations. Implementation is one thing, but also maintaining, because processes change, ideas change, thoughts change. So we constantly have to strive that we are also working along with business to maintain the automations that we have built. The other would be measuring and optimizing those results constantly, and then reaching out to more teams, as well as expanding the scope of the tools that we are using within and even outside of UiPath. So it could be process mining, which we are exploring. It could be document understanding, which we have just started our journey, and we've just automated one process using document understanding, test suite, and even Alteryx. So that's where the future lies, and everything is just in the air, but I'm really trying hard to put these pieces together so that I can have a more consolidated roadmap.
It's really an exciting time. I love talking to customers where there's so many tools that weren't even available 2 years ago to help us do our job better. And I think we're at a point in technology with AI and machine learning all connecting with something as powerful as intelligent automation to get us to that next level. And these technologies weren't even available just a few years ago, but the future is looking brighter for us. Devika, it's always a pleasure to talk to you. I appreciate you being a partner with us, and hopefully I'll come down to New York and see you really, really soon.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward. Thank you so much, Kevin.
Great catching up as always.